cold. I'm cold. These heat strips. I'm worried about that. It's one of those allergen things. Except it's like not like that, but sideways. Sideways. It's too dark to see it. I'll put another clip with the light on so you can see it. And I think outside looks like too, maybe. In an upstairs room. Not the Super 8. One of the Super 8s in Oklahoma City. It's, yeah, I don't know where it is. Yeah. Before this does have heat strips. It's not a heat pump, it's a heat strips. The funny thing about it is, like right here it's cold, right? Here it's cold on this side. Now it's warm. Hardly anything's about now. Now it's warm, and then cold again. There's a better view. A little bit too. I'm cold from the hot. One thing I like about these strips is when you turn it to high, it turns the heat strips up to high too, so it feels a lot hotter. You know, not max it out, as you see. Very low C. I'm set on the table. Pardon me again. I don't know what I can do besides that, because I'm not doing it outside view because of all the like this, sort of. Yeah, like that, except all aimed down, right? You know, we have flicker, okay, just a photo of it on the flicker. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.